Welcome to our channel Maths is Thinking Itself. In this video we learn about how to solve the given example from the exercise 9.1 class 8. So now look at. So here is subtract 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12 from 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. So simply first we have to understand how to write in the horizontal method. So now look at, if there is a and if there is a b, then how should we write subtract a from b? Obviously b minus a. So first we have to put this as b minus a. Okay, simply. And when we putting that, we have to put the bracket to the given expressions. Okay, so first step to write down 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3 bracket complete minus 4a minus 7b plus 3b plus 12. After writing it, so first of all you have to know when bracket preceded by negative sign, then when we open the bracket, what happened? Their sign will be changed plus to minus and minus to plus. So first we have to understand it with the help of example. Now look at here minus a plus b. So when we open the bracket, it becomes minus a minus b. If minus times a minus b in the bracket, so when we open the bracket, it becomes minus a, minus sign become plus, so b. If there are three terms like this, a minus b plus c, this preceded by minus sign. If there is a minus b minus c, so look at, when we open the bracket, sign will be changed. It become minus a, minus become plus, and plus become minus. So minus c. Similarly here, minus a, it become plus b, and it become plus c. Or another condition like, if there is minus a minus b, then it become minus minus plus a plus b. So first of all, you have to understand this. When we open the bracket and bracket preceded by negative sign, then sign will be changed. So now we can start open the bracket and first bracket as it is. There is nothing changed. But when we open the second bracket, this sign change to plus, this become minus, and this become minus. So step second, 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3 minus 4a plus 7ab minus 3b minus 12. Now we have to collecting the like terms. So collect the like terms, 12a minus 4a. So minus sign are there, so don't forget that. So it becomes 12a minus 4a plus minus 9a minus 9ab second plus 7ab. So collect them, plus 5b minus 3b and minus 3 minus 12. Now student, this step can be write in the two form. Now look at, if some student write in that way, then it is also correct. Nothing is wrong in that. It is also correct. Now then after, here is a coefficient 12, here is 4. So look at 12 minus 4, because a is common, so it becomes 8. So you get 8a. Here coefficient is minus plus 7, so answer is minus 2. Here 5 minus 3, it becomes 2, and minus 3 minus 12, it becomes minus 15. So your answer is 8a minus 2ab plus 2b minus 15, which is your final answer. So now this example can be solved by column method also. So when we are arranging the column method, first of all we write the first as it is, and then in the below 12a you have to write the like term of 12a. If there is no like term, so put as a blank. So we can arrange in the column method as Before that, if you like this video, you understand the concept, please like, comment and subscribe and share with your friends. So, okay, now we can continue. This is the first example. We can discuss another two example also in the same video. Now look at, first of all, write down 12a below 4a, 9ab, 7ab, 5b, 3b, minus 3, 12. मतलब constant के नीचे constant, like term के नीचे like term है. So our step is correct in the column method. Once again you have to check. Sometimes it happen कि हम जब problem लेते हैं नोटबुक में से टेक्स्ट बुक में तो हम साइन चेंज करते हैं. ऐसा साइन चेंज नहीं होना चाहिए. साइन एज इट इज है. ओके. देन यहाँ पे सब्ट्रैक्शन हो रही है. ये जो टर्म है इस टर्म ये जो एक्सप्रेशन है हम इस एक्सप्रेशन से सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं. सो नाउ पुट द नेगेटिव साइन देयर, subtraction sign. So now subtraction sign is there, so it becomes minus, plus become minus, minus become plus, plus become minus and plus become minus. Now 12a minus 4a, you get 8a. Here negative 9 plus 7, because we want to add the coefficient only ab and ab, we can write there in last. So answer is minus 2. So put ab, algebraic factor there. Here also same, 5 minus 3 gives plus 2 and b is the algebraic factor, and there is constant term minus 3 minus 12 gives minus 50. After writing this, in final answer we have to write, repeat this therefore and write your answer, which is your final answer. So I hope all of you understand the first problem. So now we go for the next problem. If you any difficult in this problem, put your comment in the chat box. So whenever we give the next video, in that we can take that part. Now second example, subtract 3xy plus 5yz minus 7zx from 5xy minus 2yz minus 2zx plus 10xyz. So first step is you have to write down this expression is given and this also given. So we have to subtract this expression from this one. So right there, put the bracket there, because subtraction is there. When bracket preceded by negative sign, sign will be changed. So we have to write, open the bracket and look at this sign become plus, become minus, minus become plus. So now here our mistake is happen. So if this type of mistake is happen, so your answer will be wrong. Okay, so it is very important when we opening the bracket, sign will be changed, otherwise your answer should be wrong. So let me correct it now. Then after we have to collecting the like term 5xy, second 3xy. 3xy contain minus sign, so don't forget it, you have to take it with them, otherwise your answer will be wrong. So 5xy minus 3xy. Second minus 2yz. Next yz term is minus 5yz. So collecting them in the one bracket, minus 2zx plus 7zx and plus 10xyz. So now look at 5xy minus 3xy. So we know that they are like terms, so we can only consider the coefficient. 5 minus 3 gives 2. Here minus 2 coefficient minus 5, it gives minus 7, and here minus 2 plus 7 gives 5 and 10 xyz is single term, so there is no like term there. So there is no, as it is we had done in the next step. Now look at our answer is 2 times xy minus 7yz plus 5zx plus 10xyz is our final answer. I hope all of you understand. If you understand it, please subscribe our channel and share with your friends. Now we go for the next problem. Now from question 4, sub question C is the last problem from this exercise. So now here we have to subtract this expression from this one. So put the bracket to them and write the first term. 18 minus 3p minus 11q plus 5pq minus 2pq square plus 5p square q minus 4 times p square q minus 3pq plus 5pq square minus 8p plus 7q minus 10. So now we know that when we open the bracket, this minus sign enter in the bracket and minus sign become plus, plus become minus, minus become plus, and plus become minus, and minus become plus. So we have first step to open the bracket. So 18 minus 3p, the first bracket as it is we have to write down, and second bracket, so look at minus 4p square q minus become plus 3pq plus become minus 5pq square minus become plus 8p plus become minus 7q minus become plus 10. So in that way you can write the first step. So once again you have to check if you have any confusion, because many mistakes happen when we open the bracket and we will not change the sign. That's why our answer is wrong. So now look at here, now collecting the like terms. So 18, 10 is a constant. Second minus 3p, तो 3p की like term कौन सी है? Now look at here 8p, then 11q. So 11q, where is 11q? Now here is a q term, so which is a like term. Then 5pq, मतलब pq वाली term. Then minus 2pq square, तो pq square वाली term here, and then p square q and p square q. Now we are collecting the like terms. So write in the bracket 18 minus 10 plus minus 3 plus 8p plus in bracket minus 11 minus 7q plus 5 plus 3pq plus minus 2 minus 5pq square plus 5 minus 4p square q. In that different way we also can write the steps. In the previous example we can solve in different way. Now here we can write the coefficient in the bracket and algebraic factor out of the bracket. So after writing this step we can do the calculation. 18 minus 10 gives 8, minus 3 plus 8 gives 5, because we have to know about the integer rules, because minus 3 plus 8, it is a small integer. First we have to take the difference. 8 minus 3 gives 5 and big number is 8, so positive sign is there. Here both the number are negative, so it becomes minus 18. 5 plus 3 8, minus 2 minus 5 is minus 7, and 5 minus 4 is 1. So we don't write 1 in front of the variable when coefficient is 1. So now look at 8 plus 5p minus 18q plus 8pq minus 7pq square plus p square q, and which is our final answer. Now in the next video or next problem we understand when the problem is writing in the general form like this, we have to write the first in order, highest order. So it is not arranging in the highest order. Second important point, हमेशा PQ ही लिखा जाता है इन जनरल, क्योंकि अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर से. तो ये सब हम नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम में जब लेंगे तो हम समझेंगे. सो आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टैंड. प्लीज़ लाइक, कमेंट एंड सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर विथ योर फ्रेंड्स. आपको वीडियो कैसा लगा कमेंट में लिखना ना भूलें. थैंक यू सो मच.